I'm sorry, sir. Come here. Get over here. Get over here and sit down. Don't you ever do that again.
They told me to deliver to the rear.
Oh, they did.
When black people in the hood run from dogs but post to be them boys right. Black people running from dogs part 5.
Black people see a dog and forget how to act.
Oh shit! Oh shit!
Black people and dogs.
He don't bite.
Get the dog, bro. Get the fucking dog. Get the dog, bro. Get the dog. Get the dog. Get the dog, bro. Get the dog. Get the dog, bro.
Black people really scared of dogs.
What would y'all do?
Ayo, something traumatic happened that changed my life. Check.
I'm fast as fuck, boy. Still fast as fuck, boy. Come get some. I don't think you. You dropped.
Where? Oh, I'm out. G? You sure?
I'm full of gold, riding on slabs. Niggas trying to talk some paper, it just made me laugh.
Niggas talking paper, they ain't got it. That shit make me mad. I just made. Whoa. Whoa.